In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the decomposition tree in Power BI, providing a full walkthrough to help you master this powerful tool. Now, whether you're a seasoned data analyst or just dabbling in data visualization, the decomposition tree can become one of your favorite ways to dig deeper into your data. So, let's just dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open Power BI. For those who might not know, Power BI is a versatile business analytics service by Microsoft, providing interactive visualizations and advanced insights with easy-to-use tools. If it's not already installed on your machine, you'll need to download it from the official Microsoft Power BI website. Once you've got Power BI open, you're greeted by its clear, intuitive workspace. It's designed to make your data analysis tasks as seamless as possible, so you can focus on what really matters, the insights. Now, the next step involves importing your data. This is a crucial part of the process because the decomposition tree is only as good as the data it's working with. Depending on where your data is stored, Power BI offers a spectrum of connectors to various data sources like Excel, SQL Server, and even cloud-based services. To import your data, simply click on the Get Data button found on the toolbar. Once there, you can choose your data source and follow the on-screen prompts to bring your dataset into Power BI for analysis. Be sure your data is clean and well organized to make the most out of the decomposition tree's capabilities. With your data successfully imported, it's time to bring the decomposition tree visualization into play. Over on the right-hand side of Power BI, you'll find a panel with available visualizations. Look for the decomposition tree icon. It resembles a branching tree structure. Click on this icon, and Power BI will instantly place a blank decomposition tree box onto your report canvas. Now, here's the exciting part. You'll begin adding data to the tree. The decomposition tree allows you to break down a measure, with different categories acting as the branches. Think of it as drilling down into your data, but in a visual and dynamic manner. You can start by selecting the Analyze field, which should be the numeric measure you wish to examine more closely, like sales figures or expenses. Now it's time to edit the data within the decomposition tree. You can drag and drop various fields into the Explain By box, thereby expanding your tree with new branches. This means more layers of insights as you examine trends, comparisons, and deviations across different categories or time periods. The beauty of the decomposition tree is in its interactivity. You can click on different branches to see more detailed data views instantly. This allows you to spot trends and insights across different levels of your data hierarchy, offering a more comprehensive understanding of the numbers. By following these steps, you'll be set to use the decomposition tree in Power BI to its full potential, unlocking deep insights from your data in a visually interactive way. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more comprehensive guides and tutorials like this one.